So I make a quick little video of my current exhaust system because I haven't seen anything like this before. But this is a 2008 V-Star 1100, and I left the factory header pipes, and then I just used reducers in a 1 3/4 inch pipe, and built some custom little mounts welded on the bottom of the pipe. Right there and up there. And right now I've just got lollipops made for it for a little bit of back pressure. But I'm planning on, I bought little $4 or $5 baffle inserts I'm gonna wrap in stainless steel. So I'm gonna make a video right after this, after I get those installed, where the lollipop holes are. But for now, this is what it sounds like. Turn the key on. Doesn't idle terribly loud with I think it's because it's the factory header pipes, so. We'll see how quiet it gets with those little bitty baffles in there.